offer it to the ladies, these dung beetles.
Yeah.
And if the lady thinks, yeah,
So can you find the soft place and then
yes,
put it the balls?
yes.
Oh, is it? Oh. We're trying to look over there. There's an animal there, far away, it's a long way.
Yes, yes, that's true. Yeah, and lice. Those four, no, I don't really like them. The rest is all fantastic. Even yeah, I'll always look at flowers and butterflies too, but I don't talk about it. Nobody wants to know about it. But no rhinos here, I suppose.
Yeah, I know. Right. At Ngorongoro crater.
Oh yes, there. That's true.
The rhino.
Yes. Yeah, I've been there twice. And ooh, can be cold there at night. Wow.
Ngorongoro.
Ooh, not when you're down in the crater, but in the crater lodge,
Yeah.
the tree lodge.
Tree lodge. Yeah. So the weather is very, very cold.